So, the previous video about paid messages for Messenger in Manychat was giving you the first steps. Now, today I'm going to show you how to send your first paid message while I'm sending my first paid message. So, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to the Irresistible Marketing Lab YouTube channel. My name is Ana Andrea, and I will be your host. In this channel, you will learn how to create momentum in your business by designing virtual events with automated communication. You will also find tutorials on digital marketing strategies and my favorite tools so that you can make a bigger impact in this world. Let's get started. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually send the paid message because I've reached over 200 subscribers. So we're going to send a message to my list and we're going to go through the process. Right here on the right-hand side, we're going to go to broadcasting, paid messages, create a paid message, select the ad account. Okay, we're gonna send a message to my audience asking them to fill up a survey about the challenge I just finished last week to see what they learned, how I could get better, and all that stuff. So the message does not have a lot of characters, so we gotta select the right wording, and I'm gonna add a button so people answer the survey. We're going to add some arrows. Okay, now we're going to click on next. We're going to select the audience. It says, note that Facebook limit paid messages audience to subscriber who interacted with you during the last 365 days at least once. So we're going to send it to my whole list. See? Okay. Select. Okay. We're going to set the budget high because it's not going to go through if it's too low. So I would add, let's say, I'll say $50. No bid control. It's not going to spend the whole budget. Don't worry. It's just going to spend about a cent or 2 cents per message. So basically it's going to be less than 20 bucks. So I'm going to start sending it right now. So I'll send it at 1 p.m. my time and finish sending by tomorrow at 1. I'll give it 24 hours. And it doesn't let me publish. So that means that I need to make a change. So I have to add bid control. Cannot leave it blank. Let's say Facebook will aim to spend your entire budget. Let's see if I could do cents. Let's see if I could do 20 cents. We could click on learn more. So we can learn more, and we're going to click on learn more as well for the budget. It says about the budget, Facebook charges you when subscribers sees a thread with your message in their inbox, which is called an impression. Cost per impression varies depending on the auction-based bid made against the other business competing for the same subscriber. It also varies across ad accounts depending on currency and country. Then this one, it says bid controls. The bid control, it says a cost is your desired maximum CPA and helps control the cost of the results you care about. A bid control is a maximum amount we can bid in each auction. In other words, bid controls are directly related to your costs. Cost controls are directly to your costs. So basically, it's just like an average. I'm just going to let it publish that way. And it says the bid amount for messenger placement is too low. So we're going to do $1 and see if it's too low. Okay, so let's find out what they want. Okay, let's put 20 bucks. All right. Paid message has been published. It was sent to Facebook and it will be sent to your audience within a specific sending period in case it passes Facebook moderation. So now we have to wait for the ad to get approved, basically. and now it's in review. So they're gonna review the message that you wrote and the link, and they're gonna approve it or disapprove it. So that's how you send a paid message through Manychat to your messenger list. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure that you like it, that you share it, that you sign up and subscribe for this channel for more videos and tutorials about communication with chat marketing and virtual event planning and customer service and other tools that I like to use. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye bye.